Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku.co Market Minute for the trading day ending Tuesday, October 11th. Firstly to the S&P 500 on the daily charts, and here we see very strong selling today, large black body candles, sellers in control, strongly committed. Importantly, taking out the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen support. Previously we had tested it down below the Kijun-sen on a few occasions in the recent week and a half to 2 weeks. Today, the strongest selling down through there, finding support, however, down around the 2134 level. Importantly, we are still trading within the Ichimoku cloud, and we have seen price rejection once again from the very close to the top of the cloud from the previous day's trading, and from that highlighted yellow zone of resistance. The rejection from there has been very strong. We have seen this type of rejection previously, where we tested down to around the same area, 2125 previously, and the buyers came in just below this region. So very interesting trading coming up for the next day. Now, just looking to our bands, and the bands have squeezed, and previously we saw the upper band holding as resistance, and for today the follow through to the downside has been very strong. Market breaking out down below the squeeze bands in a fairly bearish manner suggests that we are potentially setting up for a strong downtrending phase. What we want to see is strong follow through after this, and this swing low down around this 2120 area being taken out in a bearish manner. To that symmetrical triangle that was set up previously, and it has been completed as a reversal pattern here. As I mentioned yesterday, it was unlikely that it would be a continuation pattern because of the potential resistance through the top of the Ichimoku cloud. Close below the bottom barrier completes it, although it's not a great pattern because the trend leading into the pattern is not proportional to the size of the pattern here. And if we look at the target here, the target is well below where the trend leading into this pattern started. So not a great target. We can't have a lot of confidence in this target. The target is down around the 2100 round number level, very close to it. It's about 2106 or so. Taking a look at a stock that's been in news in recent times, gapping down, Alcoa, AA is the code, trading down below the Ichimoku cloud, a negative market in all three timeframes, but we have been trading down to this region in recent times. The market has previously found support around this $28 level, very close to it, and then importantly just down below there around the $27 level. So even though we have very strong selling looking to support to come in at one of these areas. Now importantly, if we do breach through these areas in a strong bearish manner, and significantly this $27 level, we certainly could see further strong development of this trend to the downside. But the gap here has been strong, taken out each of the Ichimoku indicators. It is a significantly extreme candle, and we don't tend to see strong follow through in extreme candles unless we have something of a shock. And this, we probably could classify this as something of a shock event for Alcoa. So we certainly could see further downside, but just monitoring this $27 level and the $28 level very carefully. And just looking at the bands here, and previously we saw this stock trading up through the top of the bands in a bullish manner with a strong bullish tone. So previously strong negative tone. So very indecisive market in bigger picture terms. But today this solid bearish breakout down below the bottom of the bands has set the market up for a potential significant downtrending activity. If we see strong follow through down through here, and these swing lows taken out, and firstly at $28 level, and I'd say we'd like to see the $27 level already mentioned taken out in a bearish manner. We certainly could see further development to the downside of this trend. It certainly would highlight a strongly negative tone in this market. Moving next to the US dollar index futures, and very strong buying in US dollar index futures today, a very large white body candle. The market had been building some momentum through this 96.88 level of resistance, trading through there in a bullish manner, now trading through 97.48 in a bullish manner as well. And this was an area where we saw previous strong price rejection. We saw the buyers losing commitment above here. The buyers have traded into there on very strong upside momentum, very large range candles, something of an extreme day. We may not see a strong follow through because this is an extreme day. We could see the market relax and form an indecisive type candle around here with support coming in at this previous resistance level around 97.48, then we could see the buyers return. But monitoring 97.48 as a potential area of support now, and if we do trade down through there in a bearish manner, we could see the market selling off and testing to lower levels down to around this previous resistance level at 96.88.